Hello, this is Binam from Banks and Markets, the blog. Okay, and if you click finance and scroll down, you will get to the place where it reads investment, and the lecture slides and exercise file that I'm going to show you are already there for you to learn. Okay, now if you see the lecture slide, then it talks about all this. Okay, so pricing of a bond when it is selling at discount, at premium, and at par. So for this, I've got the exercise file, and you know already that in an earlier video you learned about how to calculate the price of the bond using the lengthy method, but can be important for those of you who have not had exposure to an exercise like this before, after which you got 118, another way which is present value of annuity, wherein you use the formula for coupons which are similar to level coupon bonds, and then finally the price of the bond using the Excel function equal price. Now what we are going to show you is this one, in which I've got different yield rates, okay, for a bond for bonds with coupon of 12%. So what will be the price? Okay, so equal, you just need to mention price and then settlement. That's it. You can lock it because you can then drag it along. Maturity, lock it, and rate of coupon, lock it, and similarly yield, don't need to lock, it's on this side. And then you've got redemption, let's say it's 100, the par value or the nominal value, and now you've got frequency, which is C4 here, and finally the basis, which is actual. Okay, so we've done everything. We also don't forget to lock C5, and then in case of B, we don't want column B to move, but therefore column B should remain fixed as well. So now if you drag it down, you will see the price of the bond for different yield rates, and as soon as I click OK, then you will also see the bond price and yield relationship in this graph. Okay, so this is the yield bond price relationship graph. Now one thing which is important here is if I draw a line, let's say something like this, okay, then this line, does this line represent the price and the yield? The answer is no. So what does that mean? This basically means if these numbers, when depicted in this graph, if we were to receive a straight line like this sloping downwards, then we could have said that they've got a relationship which is linear. Okay, of course the relationship is negative, but it is not linear as shown by this black line. In fact, the relation is not linear but curvilinear. Okay, so this is an interesting terminology in the case of the yield curve for a bond. Okay, it's not linear like this but curvilinear. Okay, so that's in this video. Therefore you were able to see how the function price can be applied, yeah, and therefore how you can also depict the graph related to bond price and the yield. Now when you will see the slide, you will also see this concept as I was talking to you, coupon rate, this and all. So let's have another exercise to see exactly that point mentioned there. Okay, so for which I have this exercise, discount or premium, and all these are available inside my blog. So now this is the price of the bond, which is what I'm going to highlight. Another price of the bond, highlight all the time, it is 100, and then this is another. Okay, now very quickly let's look into these numbers. So this is 8%, which is the coupon rate. This is 3%, which is the yield. So you can clearly see the coupon rate is higher than the yield, therefore this bond is selling at premium. Whereas here 8% and 8%, therefore the bond is selling at par. Now this is the reverse of the first one, wherein you can see that the coupon is 8%, but the yield is 30%, i.e. the yield is higher than the coupon. Now when I highlighted all this, I can make the graph, and you can see this is the shape of the graph. So bond selling at premium is the blue, at par is this orange, and the gray is the one selling at discount. But you see, closer to the maturity, they all have the price very close to the bond price, and in the end it's almost the same. So here 100.07, 199.68. so that's the point I wanted to make. As the time is closer to maturity, bond selling at premium, par or discount, they all get very close or close to 100. Okay, so this was another illustration I wanted to make, and please do not forget to watch my subsequent videos on bonds. There are many more other exercises. All right, so thank you for your time and thank you for watching.